All right, everybody, just got the Midas in. And look, I've been, honestly a little skeptical of this printer, right? The idea of printing permanent restorations is one that I'm always hesitant to, just because we've had such good materials that we can mill that works. But I recognize that, like, hey, this stuff is coming. I'm seeing more and more cool resins come out from SprintRay and what they got coming down the pipe. And so I was like, it's time to take the plunge, get the Midas, and make things happen. So I'm gonna be unboxing today. And then I want you to follow along because I'm gonna be posting some cases where we are now gonna be integrating this into our workflows. Stuff happens. So let's check it out. So we get the Midas. This is my first time literally unboxing this thing. I have my official training tomorrow. Comes in this nice case here. And what I love about it is this thing is like a tank. Man, she is pretty. All right. Hold on, this part right here. And that's gonna come with this box in here, which I haven't checked out what's in the box. Let's see. We got our plug, sweet, we're gonna plug it in. And then our build plate. So this one is for the smaller cartridges. And I love the classic ode to PlayStation. Also they have the large ones for the bridge. And I'm looking forward to the All X ones down the road. And then here are the capsules. I got Onyx Stuff 2 to start with. Power that baby on. Classic male fashion here. I have not, there are directions that come with it too. We're gonna do wireless, Sullivan Dental Partners. All right, we're connected to the internet now. We're gonna connect to the dashboard. We have the print glass. So the cleaning of the print glass, that's underneath here. This will need to be cleaned on occasion. It looks like just with a soft cloth and a little alcohol. Otherwise, the cartridge template it will stay on. That's our barcode scanner here. Let's sign in. Sweet, our account is connected. Ready to print. So you got your capsule here, and this is the press. And then when the print is done, this capsule will come out. So this presses down, and then the print happens on this little platform, and then this comes out like that. And then you have right here the little film that we take off. And then each one has a QR code. So I should be able to go, let's see, if I, new print job, single unit, you can see we have the multi-unit now. And there is an implant crown right there. So I think we should just see how this works. So let's click that implant crown. We're gonna build a print job. We wanna go Onyx Tough 2, build print job. So I think that's kind of one of the cool things about this is the dashboard is almost like built in. So right now it's adding supports to the profile and actually doing it. And so you can see it's now prepared that literally right here. And we can preview this. That is so cool. Prepare print now. Ready to print, 10 minutes. Start now. Let's see what happens.
What makes this printer unique?
Well, at face value, it's just a small printer with a small platform that prints fast. But what makes it unique is this press technology. And so as this capsule here presses down, it forces the build platform up out of the resin and pushes the resin down into that area. And what that allows us to do is print way stronger materials. So you're very limited with current printing technology. This goes up, down in the resin tank. And this allows us to actually print things that have a very, very high ceramic content and really strong, and eventually, hopefully, print things like a lithium disilicate or even a zirconia because of this technology. All right, so it's print job finished. We're gonna take it off our platform, right? You can see now you show you what it looked like before, remember? And then how it looks now. So this is completely pressed down. And so we're going to firmly pull out, and then there is my restoration. And then let's go over to the alcohol and I'll show you guys what this looks like. All right, so we're gonna spray this with some alcohol. You don't want this to go through the whole cure because it doesn't need that. And remember, the alcohol degrades it. And then we'll just pop it off here. And this is an implant restoration, so I'm gonna come over here. There it is. Little implant crown right there. Just like that, we're off and running.